Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You are signed into Google Pay and have the photo accessible in your phone's gallery or Google Photos. Open the Google Pay app now and tap your profile circle at the top right. This reveals account details and settings. Once done, make sure your account picture area is editable. Some accounts show a camera icon. If you don't see it, toggle Account Sync in Settings and reopen the app to refresh available options. Next, you choose and upload the new image. Tap the profile photo or camera icon, then pick Upload Photo. You can select from Gallery, Google Photos, or use the camera to take one. Choose a clear, recognizable image. Google Pay prefers faces centered and well-lit, so the app can crop automatically. After selecting, use the crop handles to fit the suggested frame, then tap Save or Confirm. This uploads the image to your account and updates the profile picture across Google services. Finally, you complete the change and verify it. Once you confirm the crop, wait a few moments for Google Pay to sync. Changes can take minutes to appear on other devices. If the photo fails to update, make sure the file size and format are compatible, clear the app cache, or switch networks and retry. If problems persist, sign out and back in or check Google account photo permissions. One key tip: clearing cache often fixes stuck uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.